Jatend piny William Ruto otele nyasi mar sidho bila mag jela motieko tiegruok kojiwo rowere mondo kik yeti kodgi gi josiasa.
But for now, I must ask the governor, as a responsible governor, who cares for his people, I must find whichever way that will get me resources to sort of this city. I must get it. Lazima iwak.
Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja odok ne winjruok e kind sirikande kod sirikal mamalo mar jiwo dongruok ma Nairobi.
Lenacapavir has been properly procured through established government systems with the support from the Global Fund.
Piny owacho oyango yedhe mag chanjo ma kedo kod lando kute mag ayaki midendo ni Lenacapavir. Arwaki ni machiegni weche manyien makagi kacha. Nyinga Milton Ochieng. Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ochope mbele kamati mar Senate mochung' ne telo mag loch gwenge kendo duoko penjo ewi winjruok mane obedo e kind sirikal mare kod piny owacho mamalo ewi moko kuom chenro ma kaunti ma Nairobi. Sakaja okoni winjruok margi dhi kelo ber mathoth kendo dhi jiwo dongruok e kaunti ma Nairobi. Senators kara kamano noketo Sakaja e tago maliet mondo lerane okenge magigeto mar neno ni sirikal mamalo ok odonjore godo gi tije mag sirikal mar kaunti.
Just to remind all of us that that law that you are quoting, the Urban Areas and Cities Act, is subject to the Constitution. It is not greater than the Constitution. It is the Constitution that elevates the people above all of these things that you are saying. Governor, I've seen you doing public participation before you embarked on projects. When we had this conversation in the when Karungo Wathango was the chair of housing, and you wanted to do Woodley, for instance, we were engaging members of public from Woodley before you ever did the groundbreaking. And then once that was complete, we proceed with the project. Surely, Governor, you know that what you're saying is not true.
Chair, please allow me to answer questions asked. Yeah? We will hear what the views are. Already, I've heard things that need to be amended. Already, from the public, I have heard. But both levels of government then will review what has come from the people. We'll have to review it. But there must be an agreement. Guys, the capital will not change without this provision. Unless you tell me another provision of adding 80 billion or 100 billion to the city, there is, please, provide. If it's conditional grants, do it. You're the Senate. Give it to us. Yeah? Let me hear during the budget policy statement that you've increased Nairobi's allocation by 80. I will tear this agreement. I will not need it. But for now, I must ask the governor, as a responsible governor, who cares for his people, I must find whichever way that will get me resources to sort of this city. I must get it. Lazima iwak.
Jatend piny William Ruto jiwo rowere ma pacho ka mondo kik yeti kodgi gi josiasa mar nyawo sigu kod pogruok e kind ogendni ma pacho ka to kar mano gichung' motegno kaka jombetre mag kwe kod dongruok e pacho ka. Koloso e kinde nyasi mar sidho bila maromo 3,862 mag jela motieko tiegruok margi e kar tiegruok mar Ruiru, jatend piny okone jo Kenya mondo mi othegre kod gigo makelo pogruok kendo gisiro okenge ma sirikal oketo e jiwo dongruok e thurka. Bende noyango okenge ma piny owacho oseketo mar bero ngima apisa mag obila e pacho ka koting'o gero negi udi maromo 5,000 mabiro konyo e neno ni obila odak e lwasi makare.
Letu la Kenya tumesema ya kwamba tunataka kujenga barabara zaidi, tunataka kujenga airport na kujenga reli, tunataka kujenga mabwawa ya maji ndio tuondoe mambo ya njaa katika taifa letu la Kenya, tufanye irrigation. Tumesema pia tuzalishe umeme ambayo itatusaidia kwa mambo ya industrialization. Wakijaribu kusema nyinyi ni Wakalenjin, muambie sisi ni Wakenya. Wakisema nyinyi ni Wakikuyu, waambie hapana, sisi ni Wakenya. Wakisema nyinyi ni Wakisii, waambie hapana, sisi ni Wakenya. Kwa sababu unity in diversity is what will make our
Komiti mochung' ne somo ewe od bura mamalo odayo dho jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo Julius Bitok ewi wach japuonjre moro mar din Salam mane otamumo wiye kaka chik mar din gidwaro e sikul nyiri malwak mayudore e kar chung' od bura mar Arieda e kaunti ma Siaya.
No person, not even a child, should be discriminated
because of their religion.
Yes, because of their religion or otherwise.
What does the law say? Should we discriminate hijab students, Muslim students, or what does the law say? As much as you are requesting for more time, what does the law say? Because there is no need of that girl being sent away, and you can make your statements here, and the students, the teachers will allow those students to class.
Should be no discrimination whatsoever on matters of religion, on matters of any faith, and it is very clear. That's why I requested Honorable Chair that to give us more time, because the story we are getting from the Sub-County Director of Education in the preliminary report and what we are getting from the school seem to be requiring further investigation to understand really what happened with this on this particular issue.
So is the girl in school or not? Yeah. We are being Senior Counsel, 1 minute. So is the girl in school or not?
As we speak now, the girl was removed from the school.
Why? That's the question. Why? So you are going to seek more time, and the girl is staying at home. Yeah, that's not fair.
And the girl must go back to school.
Who is tying your hands to make a decision? Why don't you pronounce yourself?
I would suggest that you give a direction of fast-tracking, establishing the fact, and a way of responding to us so urgently with the measures that the PS will have taken. Then we can consider it specially.
I will ensure that the girl gets back to school as soon as possible.
And now, immediately. Yes.
As soon as today.
Yeah.
Hey, not tomorrow. Yes.
Migao mar thieth oyango chako chiwo yath mitiyo godo e geng'o kute mag ayaki mar Lenacapavir koloso e kinde nyasi manobagi e boma ma Nairobi mar yango yathno. Jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale nolero ni yedhego itere ute mag thieth moyangi mibiro chiwgi nono maonge chudo ka jopiny onyisi mondo bed motang' gi achudhe manyalo wuondogi ni yadhno iuso. Jokanyo opuoyo wach mar yadhno ero chope pachoka ka giwacho ni en okang' mar sudo nyime Kenya machiegni kod tieko chutho landruok mag kute mag ayaki ka chopi 2030.
Circulating about this medicine. Let me assure the public and our citizens clearly and firmly, Lenacapavir has been properly procured through established government systems with the support from the Global Fund. It has not been rushed. It has not been bypassed by any procedure. Every step has been followed in accordance with the law and our national health guidelines.
Advocate for is that everyone who is living with HIV must adhere to their treatment so that we get to what she called U is equal to U. That means that everyone has undetectable viral load so that they don't transmit. But for those still in darkness, Lenacapavir has come. And that is the message that the ministry and the Kenyan government is giving to people.
Johala kod jodak e boma ma Hispania e sub-county ma Kuria West yuago lil mar chiro ma Hispania ka bende giyuak ni ten county ma Migori oserem keto kenge makare mar choko kod puko taka kawuok e alworano. Gijiwo kenge maketo ler mar geng'o midhiero manyalo jukogi koting'o tuoche mikelo kod chido mar alwora kaka jo Juma leronwa.
Timo ohala e lwasi ma ochido ni ywak ma johala kod jodak boma Hispania osebedo ka gole kinde ka kinde ne ten county ma Migori. Kata bende johala giwacho ni kinde ma gigolo ywak margi, ten county ma Migori osebedo ka koro timo ler kuom kinde machuok. Gidwaro mondo koro keto kenge makare mar keto ler e kinde duto e chirono kaachiel kod bomano ma Hispania.
Hispania hapa kuna kero kabisa la uchafu. Takataka imerundika kila mahali, hata hapa tuko katikati ya soko ya mama wa mboga, na hii takataka imekaa hapa sasa inaelekea mwezi tangu itolewe. Mimi kama mwenyekiti nimechukua jukumu, nimewasiliana na watu wa county, wananipiga tu tarehe.
Sasa na usuru tunakata, yani hatuna sehemu ya kuusia mboga kabisa, tuko kwa uchafu, wateja wakija wanalalamika, hawachangi mboga. Manyumba za watu tunalipa. Sasa tuko na changamoto nyingi sana kwa kwa uchafu iko sirali hii.
Johala gi ka otele ko jakom margi bomano ma Isebania Samuel Kiboe wachne taka ma opuki e mok ni kare osbiro ka thiro handgi ka bende giwane gisetemo chuo ywak margi ne ten county mondo koro konygi.
Tauni yetu ni chafu. Takataka zimetolewa kwenye mitaro, zimewekwa kwenye sehemu ambao mama wanauzia. Na hizi takataka zimeongeza ufundo. Tunavyozungumza, inzi wamejaa kwenye hizi takataka, na hizo inzi zinaamka zinaenda kwenye mboga wa mama. So wamama wanachukua mboga, wanaleta sokoni, hawawezi kuuza. Nataka kuongea kuhusu county government, ni waombe kwamba hili swala ni lenu ambalo mnapaswa kuliangalia, maana hawa mama nyinyi ndio mnakata ushuru kwa hawa mama.
Kiboe wacho ni taka budho kata kuom kinde mar dwe achiel kapok ogolgi kendo witgi kuondego mowinjore.
Isebania sisi ndio tunazalisha pesa nyingi pale kwa kaunti. Sasa sisi ndio tunapata huduma ya chini. Vijana hatuna vijana wetu kwa kazi na kazi zipo. Kwa hivyo tunaomba vijana wapewe kazi na uchafu utolewe.
Johala gi wacho ni gidwaro mondo koro oket jogo manyalo yweyo bomani e kinde ka kinde ponono to gibisolo usuru.
Kana ambayo inafanya kazi ya kaunti, ila sasa tatizo hawajaweka wafanyakazi wa kutoa uchafu. Wafanyakazi ulionao hapa ni wakusanya ushuru na wale vijana tunaita enforcement. Kwa hivyo tulikuwa tunasema sisi kama wafanyabiashara wa maduka ama wafanyabiashara kwa jumla hatuwezi kata hata hizo license ama tukate ushuru kwa mama mboga hapa kama hawajatoa hizi taka, na tuwe na watu wa kufanya hiyo kazi kila mara, sio kutuma kwa mara moja.
Kalore kod rem mar ten county ma Migori golo taka, johala gi ma Isebania wacho ni ji mang'won emosbiro ka koro wuok oko kendo koro konyogi e golo taka gi.
Vile tunapata wahisani tu ndio wanakuja wanatoa mara moja wakienda. So sisi kama wafanyabiashara hapa tunaona ni kero.
Sasa tumeamua sisi kama timu, hawa mama tutakubali, maana hawa ndo wametusomesha. Sisi kama vijana wao hatutakubali wafe na kipindupindu tukiona. Tumeamua sisi site sasa tunataka tusafishe tauni zetu zote za Kuria, na ikiwezekana tutaenda mpaka Lowland. Tunasafisha, tuanza leo na Isebania. Tumeanza Isebania kutoa uchafu, tutaenda Ikerege tutoe uchafu, tutaenda Kihancha tutoe uchafu, tutaenda Kigonga tutoe uchafu, Ntimaru na hata Mabera.
Tunaona tumekuja na gari ndogo, lakini tunaona hii gari ndogo kesho tutamuomba tubadilishie at least atupe tipa ndio angalau tufanye usafi wa kuwezesha hii town iwe safi. Ni sehemu nyingi zimeathirika na nafikiri ni Kuria kwa jumla. Kazi ikifanywa hivi sio kwamba hii ni vitina, lakini mwenye atakusaidia upate afya bora nafuu kuliko waseme wamepewa budget na hii budget haifanyi.
Apisa maduong' e migaono mar alwora e kaunti ma Migori Dalmas Odero wach ni gisebedo ka gichoko taka e bombe duto e kaunti ma Migori. Kasani choko taka dhi nyime e boma Isebania kaachiel kod Masara. Odero wacho ni taka ma jidagi ma Isebania ywago sani gin mago mogol e mitaro kod duol mochune gedo mag apeyni madongo e pacho kae, ka gin emomiyo koro gigol takataka go kendo koro gitergi kuondego mowinjore. George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.